Now, who doesn't like a courgette? And we're going to teach you everything you need to know about growing the absolutely most perfect courgettes you can get. My name's Glenn. This is Veggie Patch Ideas. Right, now we're going to get you started. And if you're new to the world of gardening, or you actually live on your compost heap, we're going to cover all bases. So we've got you covered. And today it's all about the courgettes. So they do range. So you can get very large courgettes, or you can get smaller green courgettes. And I say smaller, it depends when you harvest them. If you get a rain overnight, a courgette can literally grow 2 or 3 inches within a matter of hours. They are a splendid plant. Today we're going to go for something a little bit different. These are round courgettes. If you let them go over too much, they do end up football size, so be very aware of this. But if you harvest them at around tennis ball size or a little bit larger, they're absolutely fantastic. So we'll go with these. And what we need to do, we need to fill a seed tray up first. One of the biggest mistakes I see all the time is people not choosing the right size seed tray. We want a deep seed tray, that holds quite a fair bit of soil. Because these are fast growers, and once you put them in and they rocket away, they're hungry, they need food. So very deep cell tray, as big as you can. And this one is a fruit round, and like I said, it's a round courgette, and the seeds of these are big, so you won't lose many, but if you do, hopefully you'll be able to find them again. And you want 1 seed per cell. That's all you want. These will come through. You push them in on their side. You want about a depth of, I'd say, ½ an inch to an inch. And that's all you need to do, as easy as that, eh? So let's put these back. Now we'll just cover them over. Now these like heat to germinate, so if you're in a colder climate, put them somewhere warm in your house, over 18 degrees really, 18 to 20. So if you've got a greenhouse or a polytunnel, perfect. And I know not everyone has, so your house or a sunny windowsill will do absolutely fine. Pop these in and we'll give them a water. And that's all they'll need. Now, in about a week or 2 weeks, I'd say 2 weeks, they will grow, and they will grow a lot. So these ones, believe it or not, are just over 2.5 weeks old. They're absolutely flying, and they're ready to go in the ground. So while we're here, we may as well bang them out. So here we go, we're on the bed, and this soil, can I say, it looks absolutely fantastic. It has had a layer of manure on it all winter long, dug through, and it is looking absolutely superb. Now these courgettes, they grow to very big plants, so it's all about spacing, and you want pretty much a metre around the plant. These are Black Beauty. So we have a rhubarb here. So we'll go with 2 lines, and we'll pop 3 across and 2, and then we'll water them in. Now what I like to do on day 1 is just plant 1 into the ground and then leave it a few days, and that's exactly what I'm going to do here, for the simple reason being, if this gets attacked by slugs, I'll know I need to protect the bed a bit more. If it doesn't, if it lasts a few days, I can then put the rest out. Against the railing, I'll have the sugar snap peas, and this will be a very productive bed indeed. We'll just go ahead and water this one in. Now when it comes to looking after your courgettes, feed them every 3 weeks, every 2 or 3 weeks with a high potassium feed. So a tomato feed will do. And then as the plant grows and it will get very, very big, try and keep the leaf count to about 10 spurs off the plant. So 10 big leaves, and that's all you'll need. Cut out any excess, and then the plant will focus on fruiting more and giving you a better harvest. Now these will crop heavy, and once you see one emerge, keep an eye on it as they grow, and they will reward you. My name's Glenn, this is Veggie Patcher Ideas, and we'll see you next time.